Today, someone who doesn't cut hair professionally, is cutting my boy YP's hair.
You know, if my parents like see this video, then they'll be like, "Why are you letting someone who doesn't cut hair?" Like,
yeah,
you have to lie. You have to say.
He snuck into my house, and now I'm actually cutting his hair. So I'm gonna do a before first. This is the before. As you can see, whoever cut his hair last time must have been a really good barber because he sectioned it properly. I still find it so funny my dad tried speaking Urdu to you. Little does he know you were.
What if I said I'm an Indian, but I don't speak that dirty language?
Sure. Bro, you're basically Pakistani.
You're basically Indian.
I'm basically Indian. You're basically Pakistani. We're basically one country. We just have better food.
Bro, your dad is like an average Paki dad.
I know. I know.
I wanted him to be special, but I was like, oh yeah, that's just average.
You wanted him to be special?
Yeah, so like not be bold and like.
Bro, you know all my barber friends are gonna watch this and be like, what the hell? Why is he doing it like this?
You know, you don't even have to taper. You can just get rid of it.
Oh. No, true. Guys, he wanted a high taper. Before he told me, he actually WhatsApp called me because he doesn't have an iPhone because he's an Android guy.
No, FaceTime.
No, you didn't FaceTime me. You WhatsApp called me and you were like, oh,
he
make
said
sure.
One at FT at like 2 a.m.
One at FT.
Yeah, one at FT.
I was on FaceTime with someone yesterday.
What time?
Not gonna say who. Bro, all the aunties watching this are gonna be, oh my god, he's such a professional.
Oh my days.
All the barbs.
Wait, does your mum watch this as well?
Yeah.
Everyone watches this.
Oh, bro, no. My family think I'm a failure, but you know my family actually. Hold up.
Wait,
you know
you're not a doctor, so you're basically a failure.
Do you know that genuinely my family think I'm a flop?
You're a flop.
Bro,
Did you get 9 9s? No.
I got no 9s at GCSE.
Exactly.
I got straight 8s. Literally 8, 7s, 6s.
I don't train my tongue.
Why? Is that the one muscle you should train? Do you want a samosa, by the way? My mom made 10.
10 samosas?
I was like, wait, no, because we're gonna munch after anyway. So whatever we don't eat.
So many.
No, that's just our lunch, bro. We're just gonna eat.
So many.
Me and you are just gonna eat that for lunch, man.
I'm not. Okay, fine.
Do you not like samosas?
No, I love samosas.
Well, do you eat beef? I don't know if you eat beef.
Yeah, I eat beef.
Beef?
I eat beef.
Cause you're like, thing in it.
I'm Indian, but I'm not.
Yeah, but no, like even some Sikh Indian people don't eat beef.
Yeah,
Do you not know that?
That's true. Because some of them are vegetarian.
Yeah. You're not fasting today, are you?
No.
Monday you should be fasting.
I was
going. You broke your fast?
No, and then I just didn't wake up for Saturday.
No.
I mean, I don't want to eat. I don't want to fast.
Agua. Have you seen the Ronaldo quote where he's like, agua? He says, oh, drink water. That's fine.
Jazakallah.
Eid Mubarak. Let's put it on the...
You have a beer glass.
Huh?
I said this is a beer glass.
Bro, what can I say? I'm a full-time alcoholic.
I get you a chair?
Yeah, man, can you get me that for Eid?
Sure, wait, is it like what, 150 for a chair?
About 600 pounds?
600 for a chair?
Yeah, you can afford that. You're Alhamdulillah, you're a rich guy.
Find me the cheapest Alibaba chair, and maybe...
You mean AliExpress?
AliExpress. Wait, what's the difference?
I can't lie, your beard looks so much better this time.
Yeah,
but now I've kept it so much thicker. You remember the last time I made... Oh, sorry, never. Like, when you trimmed your own beard, you made it too thin. See, I've left it a lot longer this time, okay?
That's good.
Look up. Yeah, but it doesn't... The thing is, your beard just isn't very, like, even.
Yeah.
In general.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that to insult you, but...
Yeah, no, it's true.
So I've done what I can to not...
That's fine.
Because I remember you don't want to make it too short. To not give you a... Because I could give you the brown boy beard, but... You don't like that, do you? Where's the one guard? Oh, there we are. I'm doing moustache now. And you like to follow the sunnah of keeping your moustache short, yeah? Clearly you haven't been following it. Waste, man. I'm joking. I love Eunice. But so far as well. Yeah. Do you understand how long it is for me to get to school though?
Yeah.
Because the thing is...
Why don't you just bike it?
I don't own a bike.
Just get a bike.
I can't ride a bike.
You can ride a bike.
I can't ride a bike. I haven't ridden a bike in years. Bro, I've ridden... You know I've only rode a bike once in my whole life?
If I was you, I would ride my bike every day.
Yo, my clippers are...
On the last spot.
My clippers are on 1%.
Oh, it's fine. We only need the 1%.
Bro, you're basically due. This is going to be so annoying to clean. Oh my god, I'm sorry, Mom. Now I'll clean it myself. I don't want to be a barber though. I just like doing this.
Yeah, exactly. It's fun.
But it's always a good skill. Like, say if I have kids, yeah.
You can cut their hair.
Yeah.
For free. For the first like 18 years of their life.
until either one of us dies. No, I'll probably pay someone to do it.
Why don't you just do it?
Yeah, but no, it's a skill,
It's fun,
innit? It's like changing a tire. I could pay someone to change my mom's tires, innit? But if I know how to change a tire, it's a useful skill to have in an emergency.
That's true.
I say that, but last time I bust a tire while driving my mom's car. I wasn't sure, don't worry. I bust a tire because I drove over a glass bottle at a train station. And I didn't see it because it was night. I go to park up, and you know when you're parallel parking, you have to adjust it.
Yeah.
So imagine I'm grinding the wheel on a glass bottle, so the wheel was fully gone out of there. And I was like, Mom, why is your steering wheel pulling? So no, it's not. And I said, Mom, I'm telling you it is. So we got out of the car, like I pulled over, I was like, oh, the wheel's bust. And because we didn't have a spare tire in the back, we had to call the tire replacement guys. Can't lie, this must be mad uncomfortable on your neck.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, but I don't have a barber chair, so. That's why you guys should like and subscribe so you can...
Yeah, this video revenue will definitely like...
Bro, I'm not even monetized yet. I've been in YouTube for a year on this account.
Wait, how are you not monetized?
Because basically I have like 3 good vids that went well. One of them got copyright striked and the other 2 didn't do good enough to get me monetized.
That's mad. Are you gonna play GTA 6?
GTA 6 is coming out?
Yeah. To console.
Huh?
Console in a few months.
I don't have a console.
Are you gonna get one?
No, I don't really play games, you know.
Oh.
But YP, I don't play games. Can you actually edit this, by the way, or do you not know how to edit
I
videos?
can edit this.
Do you know how to edit videos?
I know how to edit.
That did us.
It's quite simple.
You just want to leave my house like this, like you are right now?
I'm good.
You know, next time we go to an actual barber, I hope he's like, oh, I see you went to a proper barber last time.
I'll be like, yeah, I went to a really expensive, like 120 for a trim.
No, like, this guy cuts no one's hair because he's that expensive.
Yeah, exactly.
In fact, you can't even pay money.
I had to like wait in a queue
remortgage
to
your
get
house,
it.
bro. Do you want to take a bite of the croissant?
But there's hair in it. I don't know how. It like got travelled.
Hair maxing, bro. It's fine. It increases your testosterone. Do you want to finish your croissant? I actually feel like there's barbers that, you know, when the flicking thing that I'm doing.
Yeah.
I actually feel like a barber, bro. I got rejection from Oxford, which is fun.
Yeah, I saw the video and you've told me like 8 times, but...
Yeah, but I need to say it to the viewers, bro. That, remember, this whole YouTube shit's a lie. No one on YouTube is honest. No one will tell you their failures, they'll only tell you their success.
Is it?
I'm actually doing that.
People tell you their failures.
Most people only talk about their success online, man.
Who wants to hear about failure?
Every Indian auntie, bro.
So you a failure?
Mm-hmm.
No, really.
No, alhamdulillah, I'm not alive. I'm pushing, bro. I'm moving. I'm living.
You're pushing P.
I'm pushing P and sucking and... Never mind. What did you have in... Thing grown out or bald?
Full bald. Yeah.
You went the KSI route.
That's KSI being bald.
Yeah. You know, I asked the kid that I tutor, how do you know KSI? And he said, oh, from Prime, right?
What?
Bro, I'm telling you, I actually considered punching him. Okay, I don't punch children anymore. No, I was like, what the hell? You don't know the Sidemen? He's like, who's that? Bro, I actually, so I was like, oh, you don't know Josh? You don't know Harry? He's like, no, who's that? So I said, I actually said, who's KSI from? He said, yeah, Prime, right? And didn't he fight some other American guy? I was like, oh, so, okay, at least you know about the fights. That's my trimmer gun.
That's really normal to happen.
Does that fill you with confidence?
Yeah, it does.
Ready? No, stop.
No, I want to.
Do you want curtains?
No, I don't want to.
Are you sure?
Yes. Not yet.
Bro used half my water sprayer. Sorry, your hair's a bit tangled.
It is. Oh. Ah. Bro.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna have to cut off, man. I'm sorry, this is gonna hurt, yeah?
Just wait, let me just hold the hair and then you pull it out.
You do it from the edges, you edge it.
You edge it?
Yeah. Alright, leave it. Bro, I've also had long hair before.
Okay.
Ah, so you don't want me to cut the front hair so that it still goes into a man bun, but you want the man bun to be...
Yeah.
Okay, understand. Hold. Sorry, this is gonna be super jank. Cool. So it should still bun up. Yeah, it will.
How much came off? How much came off?
Quite a bit.
That's good. Oh.
It's also in the chair. Shit, I have to clean. You have to clean the chair, bro. But you don't. You'll still have enough length to top it here.
Let's see how much. Oh, there's still bits.
Yeah, so there's enough for you to tie it, but it won't be as heavy now.
That's good. That's good.
So your top.
I think I'm not gonna be tying it at home anyway when I'm on holiday.
So it's gonna be like here.
It'll grow back like by the
No,
time
but
I'm
look,
on holiday.
you'll still have a top knot here.
Is it?
Yeah. And
Oh,
you
yeah,
still,
that's enough.
and you still got enough to give me it. I'll style it as well. You want the Eren Yeager style with the 2 strands down, yeah? You know who Eren Yeager is? I don't know if you watch anime. I don't watch anime, but I know who he is.
How do you know who Eren Yeager is?
How do you know who Eren Yeager is?
I don't know. I just heard him.
A certain friend in school told me, who you know exactly who I'm on about, because there's only one guy who you know who's obsessed with anime.
I know many people obsessed with
In our further maths class. Okay, yeah, don't.
Is it?
Bro, why are you giving me more stuff to censor,
It's
man?
fine. I do on purpose to give you more work, so you're less likely to upload this video sooner.
Oh, I'm gonna edit it today. I've already scheduled out the whole.
Actually, oh
Today
my
is a full editing day. I've got 2 clients' work to do as well. Alright, YP, we are done.
Let's go.
How do you feel?
Alhamdulillah, bro. It looks very nice, man.
Bro, do you feel majestic?
Yes, man.
For someone who doesn't cut hair, out of 10, what do you think you give me? Look at the camera. What do you think you'd give me?
I have to say 10, but
Alhamdulillah. Now, mashallah, you look very beautiful, man. All of you, man, say mashallah, Allah Mubarak in the comments, yeah? We got YP, my favorite Discord mod. We kept it halal. We didn't even, give him any eyebrow slits. We made sure 100% beautiful, but this guy, mashallah, is already so camerally beautiful that I really love him.
Jazakallah Zino for the free trim, yeah.
Yo, YP, how do you feel?
Alhamdulillah, bro. His trim is so nice, man.
Oh, mashallah, you see this handsome guy, bro. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. That's knocked over my head right off. Bro, mashallah, we got the high taper, the back, oi, mashallah. We got the snacks in the back, which didn't get eaten. What's your message to the world?
Bro, everyone, comment, like, sub, smash whatever. This guy is actually the best barber, bro.
Come on, alhamdulillah.